Assalamu alaikum friends, I hope you're doing well. And here 500 and 2000 plus Victor icon and presentation template for PowerPoint. But these are protected. First you need subscription. Go to sherry.skpwd.com. Just one time payment for lifetime access, and then you have access of my all file. Okay. So open this one PowerPoint. Here 20 templates or 20 slides. Okay, enable editing. Next, business proposal, business strategy, and you see here 2000 plus icon pack included. Icon file for PowerPoint. Okay. Environment, infograph, match, marketing, and here interior design, medical bit, and here proposed business presentation, school presentation, and solar panel PowerPoint. That's mean all files are fully editable for PowerPoint. You can edit it. I hope these are useful for you. Subscribe me. Take care. Love.